Hi, in this video you will be learning how to use the Combiner process flow in the new Autodesk FlexSim 2027. To use the Combiner process flow, we have to use a basic FR end to provide the flow items for packing. Two sources are used. Add a conveyor and sync to complete the 3D model. Connect all the 3D objects using a connection. Open the Combiner object process flow. Add the basic FR object to the process flow. After adding to the process flow, select the added basic FR and open the process flow view of the added object here in the process flow property window for the selected object. Modify the packing quantity and process time details. Once the configuration is added, run the model and see.
Autodesk FlexSim Reseller and Autodesk Training Center. Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced FlexSim Training. Contact us at CCS.